Are you looking for a AIO cooler for Intel 12th Gen CPU? In this video, I will show you the 5 best AIO cooler for Intel 12th Gen CPU based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2. Unlike many of our competitors, we went to great lengths to develop the water pump. The result is greatly reduced humming and higher efficiency. Like the other components, the pump is also PWM controlled. This leads to a significantly lower noise level at low and typical loads, but also to much lower power consumption, with a maximum of 0.8 W at no load, 2.3 W under normal load, and a maximum of 4.3 W under full load for the entire AIO. The Liquid Freezer 2240 is compatible with Intel's new Alder Lake processors. Even if the socket and heat spreader are larger compared to the predecessor, the CPU surface has been reduced and remains centered. The Liquid Freezer 2 cooler completely covers this area. The 4th product on the list is the LIAN GALAHAD AIO 360B. An outstanding all-in-one CPU cooler. Primarily intended to enhance your system's performance, available in 2 size 2 color, 240mm and 360mm, black and white. Supplies with ARGB high static pressure fan with a variable speed of 800 to 1900 RPM, can operate in PWM or DC mode, and have a rated airflow of 69.17 CFM. Switching between 2 different looks to match the interior configuration. The 47 addressable RGB LEDs embedded in the GALAHAD 360 ensures brighter and more complex lighting effects. The 3rd product on the list is the CORSAIR Elite CAPELLIX. The Elite CAPELLIX cooler pump head houses 33 ultra-bright CAPELLIX RGB LEDs to go along with its RGB fans. When you add powerful low-noise cooling, your system will look great and run better. The CORSAIR Commander Core, an included smart RGB lighting and fan speed controller, gives you precise speed and lighting control over up to 6 RGB fans. An optimal cold plate design and a high-density stack of 128 microskived fins per inch provide highly efficient cooling at all loads. Each Elite CAPELLIX CPU cooler includes 2 separate pump caps. The pre-installed pump cap is a stylish, glossy black, while the alternate is more transparent to let your CAPELLIX LEDs shine through. The 2nd product on the list is the NZXT KRAKEN RGB. The all-new KRAKEN Z series lets you personalize your all-in-one liquid cooler like never before. Through CAM's unique software interface, you can do more than simply fine-tune settings. You can now display your favorite images and animated GIFs, or CAM system information, allowing for total customization. CAM's elegant, user-friendly software makes you the master of your PC. With simple-to-use, intuitive controls, you can manage your KRAKEN's performance and appearance with ease. The included Air-P radiator fans are designed for liquid cooling perfection. Featuring a chamfered intake and fluid dynamic bearings, they deliver silent operation, long-term reliability, and powerful cooling performance. The 1st product on the list is the ASUS ROG RYUJIN 360 CPU cooler. The ROG RYUJIN series delivers optimal cooling performance in a 360mm AIO CPU cooler. Industrial-grade Noctua radiator fans optimize airflow and static pressure, while FanExpert enables total software controls. Aura Sync RGB and a 1.77-inch OLED allow for limitless customization via LiveDash to pair perfectly with ASUS motherboards. While powerful, liquid cooling does not circulate air around the CPU socket like a traditional heatsink and fan. ROG RYUJIN overcomes this limitation with a 60mm fan embedded in the pump housing that circulates air to the CPU VRMs, M.2 slot, and surrounding components to dramatically reduce temperatures for improved performance and stability. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.